replace the force system by an equivalent system, by equivalent resultant force, and specify its point of application. So again, the question consists of two parts. The first part, which is the easy part, we need to find the resultant force, Fr. The second part is asking for its point of application. So we want this point P. Alright? Let's start now with the resultant force, which is simply the summation of all these forces, Fa, Fb, and Fc. So now, because it's a 3D problem, we'll use vector analysis. So we'll express the forces in Cartesian format. 300, a negative 300 and a negative 500 and a positive 500 will make a negative 700 applied at the z-axis. We've already shown this in the picture at the bottom. Now we need the location of P, point P. So what do we do? You have a guess what? Yeah, a moment equation, right? So you need a moment equation because these two systems, this system at the top is equivalent to this system at the bottom. So the moments created by Fr, the resultant force, is equal to the moment created by Fa and Fb, by the sum of moments created by Fa and Fb and Fc. So the left-hand side of the equation will be the moment of our resultant force, Fr. And the right-hand side of the equation will be with the moments created by Fa and Fb and Fc. And that's it. The only difference now between this question and the previous questions is that you solve using vector analysis. And you know how to do cross product from previous sections. So let's start with the cross product of Fr. X and Y are unknowns. You could wish to put Z as well, X, Y, and Z, but you will end up having a 0Z, and you will see. So X, Y are unknowns, multiplied by the force vector, which is minus 700k, and then we have three forces. Then you have three forces, 300 and 100 and 500. Each one of those we multiply by its position vector, and this will be our right-hand side of the equation. Now, I guess you know what to do now. Yeah? So use cross product for each one of those. Cross product for the moment created by Fr, cross product for Fa, a cross product for Fb, and another cross product for Fc. To solve these, this will be your answers, and this will be your equation. Now, what will we do? We will equate the I and j components and solve for x's and y's. Clear? So this is the y component, and these are the j components. So the greens are the I components and the blues are the j components. And that's it. y will be 2 inches and x will be negative 4 inches, and these will determine the coordinates of your point P. So this means that your resultant force will be somewhere here, right? It will be somewhere here. Since x, let me draw it well. Since x is negative, so it will be somewhere here. You have a minus 1.14, and you have 2 inches. This is in inches. This is 2 inches. Okay, that's it.